New Manford SP 200VS Super Precision Variable Speed Milling Machine. Complete with 5 horsepower variable speed head via Delta inverter drive. Head swivels left to right. Potentiometer speed selector on pendants. LED speed display on pendant. Forward and reverse switch. Mechanical spindle brake. Three mechanical quill feeds. Manual quill feed. Tapping through reversing switch. Coolant system complete with splash tray, halogen light, rapid traverse on knee complete with hand wheel safety device. Automatic lubrication, protective bellows and curtain, hardened and ground table including T-slots. Hardened and ground Y and Z boxways complete with turkite coating. Ball screws on X and Y axis. Manual locks on all 4 axes. Shown with longitudinal aligned servo feed. Three-axis Newell DP700 digital readout with feed rate display.